Welcome back, heavy machinery fans. You're watching Machines Visit, and today we're diving into a world where size truly matters. These aren't ordinary excavators. They're engineering giants capable of moving mountains, transforming massive mining sites, and handling jobs that seem almost impossible. Stay with us until the end, because the machine claiming the #1 spot is so enormous that its sheer scale is difficult to believe. Let's begin our countdown of the top 10 largest hydraulic excavators in the world for 2023. Starting at number 10 is the Liebherr R9800 G6, weighing an incredible 645 metric tons, 711 US tons. This isn't just a massive excavator. It's a showcase of cutting-edge engineering. At the heart of the machine is an intelligent hydraulic system that automatically distributes power where it's needed most, maximizing both efficiency and performance. Whether it's digging through solid rock or loading enormous haul trucks, the R9600 G6 delivers impressive speed without sacrificing precision. Built for demanding mining and large-scale construction projects, this powerhouse proves that raw strength and advanced technology can work hand in hand. Taking the 9th position is the XCMG XE7000, tipping the scales at a staggering 673 metric tons, 742 US tons. Built to tackle the toughest mining operations, this giant stands out thanks to its highly advanced control system. Every hydraulic movement is carefully managed, allowing operators to perform complex tasks with remarkable accuracy and confidence. Despite its enormous size, the XE7000 offers smooth, responsive operation that makes difficult jobs look surprisingly effortless. Add in its operator-focused cabin, enhanced safety features, and reliable performance, and it's easy to understand why this excavator has earned a reputation as one of the industry's most capable heavy-duty machines. Landing at number 8 is the Liebherr R996B, weighing approximately 676 metric tons. While its massive frame immediately grabs attention, what truly sets this machine apart is its remarkable fuel efficiency. Through a combination of advanced engine technology, optimized hydraulic circuits, and intelligent power management, the R996B consumes significantly less fuel than many competitors in its class. That means lower operating costs without compromising performance. Its exceptional stability, tremendous digging force, and ability to handle extremely challenging terrain have made it a trusted choice for some of the world's largest mining operations. At number 7, we have the Komatsu PC8000-11, weighing an impressive 692 metric tons. This machine is built to perform under relentless conditions where precision and reliability are absolutely critical. Its intelligent control system continuously monitors machine performance, helping operators work more safely while maximizing efficiency. With outstanding digging depth, extended reach, and exceptional breakout force, the PC8000-11 easily handles massive excavation projects. Its heavy-duty construction and legendary durability ensure that it remains productive even in the harshest mining environments. Taking the 6th spot is the Demag H740OS, weighing approximately 744 metric tons. This impressive hydraulic excavator combines enormous power with exceptional operator comfort. Inside, the spacious ergonomic cab provides outstanding visibility, allowing operators to maintain complete awareness throughout long working shifts. Advanced telematics and monitoring systems simplify fleet management, improve maintenance scheduling, and help reduce costly downtime. Whether working in mining, quarrying, or major construction projects, the H740OS delivers the reliability and versatility that large-scale operations demand. Breaking into the top 5 is the mighty Komatsu PC8000-11, weighing a colossal 773 metric tons. Built for maximum productivity, this machine perfectly balances incredible digging power with precise hydraulic control. Its sophisticated hydraulic system allows operators to transition smoothly between delicate positioning and aggressive earth moving without losing efficiency. Designed to move enormous amounts of material day after day, the PC8000-11 has become one of the most respected excavators in the global mining industry. Claiming the 4th position is the Liebherr R9800 G6, weighing an astonishing 810 metric tons. This heavyweight is famous for its tremendous digging depth and massive bucket capacity, allowing it to load ultra-class mining trucks with incredible speed. But its advantages go beyond raw power. An innovative energy recovery system captures and reuses hydraulic energy, reducing fuel consumption while lowering operating costs. By combining exceptional performance with improved efficiency, the R9800 G6 continues to strengthen Liebherr's reputation as one of the world's leading manufacturers of mining equipment. Earning the third spot is the Hitachi EX8000-7, weighing an incredible 837 metric tons, 923 US tons. Engineered for maximum productivity, this hydraulic excavator delivers impressive digging performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic technology works seamlessly with sophisticated electronic controls, ensuring smooth, accurate machine movements even during the most demanding operations. The spacious operator cabin, combined with intelligent control systems, enhances comfort while boosting productivity, making the EX8000-7 one of the most advanced excavators ever produced. Taking second place is the legendary